In this video, I'll demonstrate how to implement hot tracking functionality for grid rows. We'll use the mouse move and row cell style events of the grid view to display a hand cursor and change the appearance of grid rows when the mouse is hovered over them. I'll start with the WinForms application that has a grid bound to the customers table of the Northwind database file. I right-click on the form and switch to code view. I'll add the devexpress.xtragrid.views.grid and the devexpress.xtragrid.views.grid.viewInfo namespaces, as we'll be using them later. Next, I create a new member variable. This will hold the index of the row that will be hot tracked. Now, I'll create the hot track row property, which will return or set the index of the current row and display a hand cursor. Note that I'm using the refresh row method of the grid view to refresh a specific row based on the index passed onto it via the hot track row and previous hot track row variables. I switch back to design view. I select the grid view and create a new event handler for its mouse move event. I'll add the following code to the event handler. Using the GridHitInfo class, I'll retrieve the row handle of the current row based on the position of the mouse cursor within the grid view. Finally, I need to change the color of the row being hot tracked. To do this, I switch back to design view. I select the grid view again and create a new handler for the row cell style event. I set the background color of the row to pale goldenrod. And I'm done. I run the application to see the results. As you can see, the mouse cursor changes to a hand and the background color to a pale orange when I hover over each row. Thanks for watching, and of course, thank you for choosing DevExpress.